Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a chicken and mushroom Alfredo fettuccine with white wine. Alright, so here's my chicken right here. I got like about roughly like 6 of these right here. These like half, cut in half, and this recipe is enough for 8 people. Okay, I got some white wine right here, Chardonnay. I got some Creole seasoning, some fettuccine, got some ham diced up, maybe an ounce of cream cheese. I have 4 portobello mushrooms right here. I have a stick of butter. I have 8 ounces of Parmesan cheese right here. 1 clove of garlic, but this is actually is going to average out to be like 2 cloves, so this is a pretty big piece of garlic. I have some heavy cream right here, have some pepper, have some salt, and I have some olive oil, and I do have some snow peas, not no snow peas, some sweet peas, some frozen peas. Okay, we're going to use a half a cup of that. So let's go ahead and start jumping right into this stuff. If I can season this up. Let your chicken get room temperature. It's easier to cook when you do it like that. So all I'm going to do is sprinkle a little salt on here. Just a little bit, a crumb, okay? Not a lot because we're going to put that the Tony stuff on there. Cajun seasoning. Alright, a little black pepper. Not a whole lot, guys, just enough. Like I said, it don't cost for a whole bunch of different seasonings now. Just like so. And we'll come in here with this Tony. Alright. And I will leave you guys a link to some of the other ones I made like earlier on through the years. It don't get that many views. I don't know why, but hey, you know I'm new, so I guess that's why. So we're going to season this side up and take you guys to the oven, to the stove, and start searing this up. Alright? Chicken and mushroom Alfredo fettuccine with white wine. No doubt about it. It's going to be off the chain. Promise you. And I wanted to mention, your boy had took a break for about a month from making videos. I got kind of like, I don't know, dried out on it a little bit. But I have been cooking regardless. In my home, you know, I just get tired just cooking all the time. I mean, it's a lot of work goes into this. So saying that to say this, you know what, forget all that. We're just going to go ahead and take you guys over there and get the cracking on this chicken. Let's go ahead and sear. Let's go. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm just going to put some olive oil in here. Enough to cover this skillet. You can put this, put a little butter in it if you want to. I'm going to leave mine like that. Yep. I'm going to do like 3 of them at a time. Alright. We're just going to get a nice little crust on the front and the back. And this will take no more than about roughly 4 minutes top. 2 minutes on each side. I'm cooking this on medium. Okay, fam, I'm back. 2 minutes is up. Put it on this side. Do my other pieces and show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Put a little bit more olive oil in here. Just a little bit this time. Put some of the spray butter in there. Just a little bit. Come in here with my diced ham. Cook those up a little bit. They ain't got to be super brown or nothing like that, so we're just going to cook them up. I'm going to let that go for about 3 minutes. And then we'll take those out. Okay, fam, I'm back. While those cooking, I can go ahead and throw these mushrooms in here also. I will kill two birds with one stone. Need some more oil in here. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and put this to this sauteed up a little bit better. And then I'm going to take all this out, put it to the side. I'm going to start on that sauce, that Alfredo sauce. Okay, fam, I'm back. Put some more olive oil in here. Like so. Just a little bit. I'm going to come with a half a stick of this butter. The reason why I'm doing this olive oil and the butter for my garlic don't burn, okay? Come with the garlic. Mix this around up in here, like so. We're just bringing out all the natural flavor of this garlic, okay? We're just sweating it. We're not cooking it. We're not frying it. All right? You want to come in here with this wine, half a cup of wine, like so. Now what we're going to do is reduce this wine, all right? That's what we're doing. We're going to reduce it. Then we're going to come in there with the rest of our ingredients. Sound good? Now, I'm going to come in here with the heavy whipping cream. About 2 cups. Just mix this around up in here. We gotta wait till it get warmed up again, so we can add our cheese in here. Alright, when they come back to a boil, I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, you see how it's starting to boil a little bit. We're gonna come in here with this cream cheese. Just kind of come in here slowly with it. Cream cheese is melting good. See how thick it's getting. Teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna come in with some of this black pepper. You can put as much as you want in yours. Stir this up. Chicken and mushroom Alfredo fettuccine. From my home to your home. Off the chain, guarantee you. Okay, now we're going to come in with our Parmesan. See what that do. Turn this on low simmer because we got to do our chicken and all the other stuff, okay? And we're just going to let this simmer, guys, for about 15 minutes while we work on our other stuff. We just got to go chop up our chicken, get our noodles and stuff going. Try that white wine, I'm trying to tell you, is going to bring out all them natural flavors. You do not need anything with this other than some pasta and meat. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let this simmer and start working on my noodles. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back over here cutting up my chicken. Like that. All right. All right. Finish the rest of these up, guys, and I'm gonna throw this chicken up in there in the Alfredo. Let it go ahead and simmer in that. Okay. Throw this chicken up in here. Just like so. Ham and mushrooms. Put that in there. We got a mix up in here. We're gonna let that finish simmering, and we're gonna go ahead and start working on this pasta that I was supposed to been working on. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put these snow peas up in here also. I say snow peas, frozen peas. There you go. All day. The only thing we're waiting on now is them noodles, right? All right, let me go ahead and get them popping. Talking about something good. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm just gonna throw a little salt up in here. Just like that, and a little oil, olive oil that is. Help prevent it from sticking, okay? That's all it does. Now with my noodles, I break mine in half. You don't have to, but I do because I know it's gonna be much more. I always break mine in half. Just like so. Alright. Like that, fam. Alright, fam, stir that up and make sure everything's mixed in there pretty good. And this shouldn't take no more than about 15 minutes. If that. I want mine al dente. And then we'll serve it up and I'll show you guys what we have. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with this chicken mushroom Alfredo fettuccine with white wine. Okay? Now that's how that looks up over here. The plate is kind of heavy, so I can't get too far with you. But that's how it looks. I got a lot of sauce on there too. It just don't look like it, but it is. Alright. And I put some more Parmesan on there as well. That's it right there. I got some garlic bread right here. So that's the only bread I had on deck. You can use whatever kind of bread that you want to use. But that's what I had on deck. So guys, if you like this recipe of the chicken mushroom Alfredo fettuccine, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to, of course, hit that bell for me. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time when I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys make this recipe, and happy cooking to you all. God bless. Much love.